how to factory reset your iPhone. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets iPhone tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your iPhone to factory settings. So if you're getting ready to get rid of your iPhone, maybe selling it or giving it to someone, before you do that, you'll want to do a factory reset so that all of your data is removed from the phone, and then the next person who gets it is able to sign into a new Apple ID account. So in order to do this, there's really two things you need to have. You need to have the password to your Apple ID, and then you just need to have the Face ID or passcode used to access the phone. So if you lock your phone like this, and then it asks you to unlock it, you need to have that as well in order to reset it. And this tutorial will work on all modern iPhones, including some older ones. Currently, I'm running iOS 16.2, so if you're running that, it should be up to date. All right, so to get started with factory resetting our iPhone, the first thing we need to do is simply open up the settings. And the first thing I recommend doing, if you want to, is perform a backup of your current iPhone, just so everything is downloaded to the cloud so that you can access it if you need to. And we do that once we're in the settings by selecting your name at the very top of the settings. Then you just want to select iCloud. Once you're in iCloud, you should see device backup right here. Select iCloud backup. And then as you can see, you just want to make sure you have backup this phone turned on. And then right here, as you can see, it says backup now. For my phone, it hasn't backed up since December 18th. So if yours is out of date, you can go ahead and select backup now, and it'll go through the process of ensuring that your iPhone is backed up. Once it's done backing up, go back to the main page of the settings. Now our next step is going to be to log this iPhone out of our Apple ID account. And we do that again by selecting your name at the very top of the screen. Then all we need to do once we're in Apple ID is scroll down, and at the bottom you'll see sign out. Go ahead and select sign out. It's going to ask you to enter your password, so go ahead and enter your password for your Apple ID. Once you enter your password, select turn off in the top right. Once you enter your password, you'll get to this screen where it's just asking if you want to keep a copy of several things that are available on your phone. So again, you can just make sure you have a backup of these if you want them. Once you've done that, go ahead and select sign out. Then just confirm once again you want to sign out of your iCloud account by selecting sign out. It might take a couple seconds for it to completely sign out of your iCloud account and copy any data over to the cloud. And now once it's done, at the top here, instead of seeing your name, you'll see sign into your iPhone. So now we're ready to factory reset this iPhone. To do that, all we need to do is scroll down in the settings, select General, and then scroll down again all the way to the bottom, and you'll see Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select that. Now, if you got a new phone and you want to move all of your stuff on your current iPhone to your new iPhone, you can go through that process here and check the description. I'll have a tutorial down there showing you how to do that. But what we want to do is a factory reset, and we do that by selecting Erase All Content and Settings at the bottom. So select that. It'll let you know what's going to be removed from your phone, so you can go ahead and select Continue. Then enter your passcode for your iPhone. And once you do that, a new menu will appear and select Erase iPhone. And then you'll see the Apple loading screen. So now it's going to be doing a factory reset on this iPhone. Give it a minute or two if needed. Once it's done, you'll see hello on the screen, and it'll be just like it was when you first got your iPhone, where you can swipe up and start going through the process of setting up the iPhone. One quick thing, if you are getting rid of your iPhone, I recommend removing the SIM card from your iPhone, and you can do that at any point, either before or after you factory reset it. I did this factory reset without a SIM card in it, so either way, it shouldn't be a problem. All right, so that's how you perform a factory reset of your iPhone. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more iPhone tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.